Products tab will have similar functionality to the Campaigns and Ad Groups tabs. The table displays all products across all campaigns that are currently being marketed. This table is a great way to see which metrics are being allocated across products. Filters work similarly to other tables. You can select all on the page and take action. You have the ability to export, as well as refresh the table, change the date range, upload product information, and change the amount of products displayed on a page.